Still, I wish I could really keep this saw. It's a nice saw. 038 Super. Like the 038 Magnum, just a tad different. Had a little problem with the aftermarket gas tank and handle assembly. They didn't seal it real good here, so I sealed it first with Stihl, and then I went with a plastic weld. Plastic weld is just works really good, and all this stuff. It's got a lot of new parts in it, new oiler, new Archer chain. We'll put it to a test. I haven't cut with it yet, but we'll see. Cold start and first cut. It was just a little off, and so I loosened this end and I tightened that end, and it put it to where now it should be choked. And that was the problem. It was actually opening it up. It wasn't choking. Yeah.